What is up, y'all? Arianna here, back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be recreating one of my favorite Saweetie edge styles. She has the crystals, it's so cute, it's got the high pony, love it. So I'm gonna be recreating that look, but first, here is a special shout out to today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by edgecontrol.com. Your edges can make or break your entire look, so edge control should be on hand at all times. Now that is no problem because every month you'll receive your edge control directly to your door with an edgecontrol.com subscription. They offer a variety of products to choose from, and get this, your first subscription is just $1. Click the link in the description box to sign up. You won't regret it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Also, I'm using a reflector today. I can't see, so if I'm squinting a little bit, it's because I was trying to try something new with the lighting, you know, use the window, the reflector, but like my eyes burn. But it's okay, it's all for the content. It's all for the good lighting. I hope this looks good because I can't even really see it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm using the Melanosity Edge Control from edgecontrol.com today. This one is alcohol-free and it's really hydrating, so I'm gonna be using that as like my gel for my whole slick back and also for my edges when it's time to do the cute little edges. So first I'm gonna take my hair up into this high pony and then slick it down. Let's slick that thing down. Slick that thing down. Now I'm taking a hard bristle brush to get really into those edges. So I secured the ponytail up top, and now I'm gonna braid the hair because I'm gonna add in a clip-in ponytail. Now I'm gonna add in my ponytail extension. I actually have a tutorial for this on my beauty Instagram. For those of y'all that don't know, I have a second Instagram that is the Airy Diaries XO, and I do all my beauty, fashion, tutorial type things over on that Instagram. So if you wanna see how I installed this, then definitely check that video out. It'll be linked down below, but BRB. The ponytail is in. I'm just gonna go in and touch up the little edges that kind of got a little frizzy from putting in the ponytail, and I'm gonna use more of the Melanosity Edge Control. Now it's time to move on to the edges. Two very important things that I need when I do my edges is my spray bottle of water and my edge brush. Now I already did this side, but without the rhinestones. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this on this side. So I'm just gonna use my spray bottle to spray my edge brush because I like to work with water to help my edges move better. But if you don't like water at all, it's not gonna work, then just use the edge control because that's amazing enough. So I'm just taking my edges and I'm pulling them forward. Now I'm starting to curve them to give that shape that I really want. So kind of an outline of what I want for the shape. So now I'm gonna go in with the edge control and grab a little bit more of the edges and really define that shape. Now time to add the rhinestones. Saweetie alternates between big and small crystals, so I'm gonna do the same with rhinestone. So this is the finished look. Okay, I feel like Saweetie. Now this is not a normal look that I would wear like out and about, but it's super cute for like a celebrity recreation look. Like, okay. Make sure to check out edgecontrol.com. I have the link down below, and you can get your first subscription purchase for just $1. Like, that's a deal for real. It's more like a steal. So make sure you check it out and tell them Arianna sent you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like content like this, and don't forget to follow my brand new beauty Instagram, I guess beauty and fashion tutorials, all that good stuff at the Ari Diaries XO. Of course, follow my regular Instagram at Arianna Jonae, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just another sunny day.